So today we are going to see about algae. Algae are chlorophyll bearing, that is they have chlorophyll which help in to perform photosynthesis, and they have a simple body structure. They are known as thallus or thalloid, which means they doesn't have a differentiated body system into stem, leaf, root, flowers, etc. And they are autotrophic in nature. As they have chlorophyll, they can able to produce their own food, and hence they are autotrophic. Mostly they occupy aquatic systems, either freshwater or marine, or they may also be found in moist stone, soil and wood. Algae will flourish in growth in areas with high moisture content. So it may also exhibit a symbiotic relationship with fungi as lichen. We have already seen about that. The sloth bear's fur has a green appearance, which is considered to be a kind of algae which helps in camouflage. It can hide among the green branches, as the fur is green because of this algae, and escape from its enemy. In turn, this sloth bear is providing nutrition and home to algae. So the form and size, if you see the form and size of algae, it is highly variable. It starts from unicellular to multicellular. It may also be living as a colonial form. Many algae will group together in the form of a colony, or it may be a filamentous one. It is in the form of a filament. And if you take kelps, it has a profusely branched structure. It mimic a plant, but it is not an actual root, actual stem or actual leaf. Hold fast. This will function like a root in attaching the algae to the substratum. It is found in marine habitat. So in the marine habitat, it will help to attach the algae to the substratum. The stipe will act like a stalk, and this blade like frond, this frond is will act like leaf and perform the process of photosynthesis. So the kelps has the ability to grow up to 100 meters. So if we see form and size, the algae may vary from microalgae, which are visible only under microscope, to macroalgae, just like kelps. Reproduction. Algae exhibits three modes of reproduction. First one is vegetative, in which the entire body will be divided into small fragments, and each fragment is capable of growing into a new filament. New filament. Asexual reproduction takes place mainly by this motile zoospores. Zoospores has flagella. Zoospores have flagella, which helps in the movement. And asexual reproduction takes place by this motile zoospores. Sexual reproduction, as we have already seen in fungi, it is of three kinds. One is isogamous, anisogamous, oogamous. Isogamous, similar and motile, or similar and non-motile. Either flagella will be present in both the gametes, or flagella is absent in both the gametes, but the size of the gamete will be same. So similar and motile gametes are found in Eulothrix. It's a kind of algae. Similar and non-motile gametes, example is Pyrogyra. It's also another kind of algae. This kind of fusion of similar gametes is isogamous. Anisogamous, one gamete will be small and another will be big. That is found in Eudorina. In oogamous type, the smaller gamete will have flagella, which is motile, and the bigger one lacks flagella, and hence it is non-motile. This kind of reproduction is found in Volvox fucus. So here they have given in the book various types of algae. So these two are green algae, these are brown algae, these two are red algae. This is the Volvox colony. Here the cells of algae are living together as a colony, and this is a filamentous form. This is an Eulothrix, and if you see this one is a brown algae. It is laminaria. This one is fucus, and this one is dictyota. In red algae, example is an example for red algae. It is Porphyra, and this is Polysiphonia. So if you see, it starts from a colonial form to filamentous form, and here you can see a highly branched form. So algae varies highly in its forms. What are the main uses of algae? 50% of Earth's photosynthesis is occurring due to algae, and it helps in the contribution of atmospheric oxygen. It forms the basis for aquatic food chain. So algae will be taken as food by small fish or any crustaceans, which is fed by big fish, which is consumed by a bigger one like shark, whale. So algae form the primary source of food in the aquatic habitat. Hence they are primary producers, as they produce their own food and form food to the basic food to the aquatic animals. Porphyra, laminaria, sargassum or algae, which are consumed as food by humans, as they are rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals. Algae are used commercially to produce gelatinous substances like hydrocolloids. It has the ability to absorb water and form a gel-like substance, and hence it is used as a gelling agent or thickening agent in many desserts and ointments, etc. And algin is obtained from brown algae. It is used as a medicine to treat high blood pressure. Carrageen is obtained from red algae. It is also a thickening agent. And the most important industrial one is agar. It is obtained from two algae, Gelidium gracilaria, both are red algae. It is used in as a if you add agar to any liquid, it will turn it into a gel form. So it is mostly used in ice cream and in the preparation of jellies. In microbiology, it is widely used to solidify the nutrient medium. It will be like a water. If we add agar to the nutrient medium, the medium will turn into a gel-like substance in which the microorganisms are grown. So chlorella is taken as a protein tablet by the travelers, especially astronauts. It's a rich source of protein. And there are three classes of algae. First one is chlorophyceae, haeophyceae and rhodophyceae. So chlorophyceae are green algae. It is green because of the rich content of chlorophyll. Haeophyceae, it's a brown algae. It is brown in color because of the abundance of pigment fucoxanthin. Pigments are coloring agents. And rhodophyceae are red algae, and they are red because of the abundance of pigment phycoerythrin.